guys, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today's video is going to be a very exciting video because it is our apartment tour.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Now I have been wanting to do this video for such a long time, but obviously putting together an apartment takes a long time, and so I finally feel like we have just enough to where I can do this video. There are little things I want to add here and there, but for the most part, I really like to keep things pretty minimal with decor and only have things that we really use or things that are just special to us. And so you'll see we don't have like stuff all over our walls or anything. I like to keep it like pretty simple. Obviously, this is our first home together, Aiden and I's, and so it's the first place that we really got to decorate together, and it was really important for us just to make it somewhere that was very cozy and homey. And so we've invested a lot into this space and we spend so much time here, and so I am really thankful to get to live here and so thankful for our space, and I'm really excited to get to share it with you guys. I do want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is really exciting. So thank you, Smart City, for sponsoring this video. When we moved to Dallas, it was such a process. We didn't really know this area very well. We didn't know which neighborhood we'd like. We didn't even know all the different apartment buildings, and so we had to tour so many different apartments. I actually have a whole video on our apartment search if you want to check it out. But looking back, it would have been so nice to know of a service like Smart City. Is a free apartment locating service, and when I say free, I mean it's totally free. Basically, Smart City works with local real estate agents, and they will find renters who are looking for an apartment and work with them to find the most perfect apartment that fits all of their needs and wants. Basically, how the process works, you actually reach out to Smart City and their real estate agents will get back to you and see what you're looking for. So do you want a place that has a lot of windows? Do you want a place that has in-unit laundry? Do you want a place that has a bigger bathroom? You know, all the different things that you would like to have in an apartment. They will then come up with a list of all the different apartments that kind of fit your preferences, and then they will schedule tours with you and show you these apartments, and then they will walk you through the leasing process when you actually find a place that you think is the perfect place for you. Smart City is Texas based, but they are expanding and they are in a few other cities. So if you're in Dallas, San Antonio, Houston, Fort Worth, Austin, or if you're also in Atlanta, Denver, and Nashville, they actually have services if you are looking to move to any of those places. They're actually expanding to Orlando and Miami pretty soon, which is really cool. And it's free because they're able to actually get their commission from the apartment that you're actually going to be leasing from. And so that is how they do all these things for free for you. And if you're someone who just likes to look at apartments, I have an obsession with like looking at real estate and just seeing what's out there. So I actually just follow them on their Instagram, but they have different Instagrams depending on the location. And so I followed the Smart City one, which was actually the one in Dallas. And I'll just go and look at all the different apartments that they're actually showing. So if this is a service that you're interested in, if you're moving to Dallas, anywhere in Texas, or those other cities, I will have them linked down below. Again, you can just reach out. It's a free service, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. I also wanted to say that I'm gonna link everything I possibly can in this video. So if it's something that can be linked, it will be linked. So make sure to check the description if you're into any of the furniture that we got or any of the home decor, any of those things. Some things I can't link, but I will try to link everything that I can. I think that's everything that I have to say. So let's just go ahead and hop right into the apartment tour. So when you walk in, this is our little hallway that you walk into. And so we have this rug, which is from Rugland. It's just like a really simple rug. Right here, we have our washing room, which is nice to have like a separate room over here. We just have our washer and our dryer. And then up here, I just keep all of our like washing stuff and then our reusable bags. We have our toolkit along with some other like home stuff up there. We just have all of our paintings that we haven't used up there, along with some extra pillows and Christmas stuff. And so it also kind of serves as some storage in here. But then right here, we just have our key ring holder. So we just keep like hats. This is the bag that I use pretty much every day. So I just keep it here with our keys, our masks, and then some extra stuff up there. And this is from Urban Outfitters. I really like it because it's like a bamboo rattan material. And then you come in here and this is our kitchen. I really like how nice and open our kitchen is. But right here we just have our fridge, and I just keep like a little postcard that we just recently got, and I think it's cute because it's like a vintage New York picture. And then this is just our fridge. All of our little containers that we have are from Amazon, so I'll have these linked down below, but they're nice because they keep everything nice and organized. So we just have all of our like chip dips and that stuff up there, produce, and then cheeses in here, along with all of our like produce stuff in here. And then we just have some meat, butter, that kind of stuff on there. So that is pretty much our fridge. And then over here, I just keep a little bowl of our bananas and avocados. And then I just have this defined dish cookbook that I've been using a lot recently, so I like to have it out. Spaghetti squash that we're eating, and then up here we just have all of our plates and cups and that kind of stuff. I really like having an organizer like that because it keeps things separated and it just makes it a lot more organized. So I also have one of those linked down below, but I have all of our plates and all that kind of stuff. And then we just have a couple of knife sets. And then down here, I just keep our oven mitts, things to hold hot pans, tape, and then our Tupperware. And then down here, I just have our toaster, some extra random stuff, and then all of our water bottles and stuff like that, because we just use those pretty often. We then just have our oven here, and then our Nespresso, a little thing that holds some olive oil. And here, there's just some cutting boards, and then extra coffee for the Nespresso, along with some other just like normal coffee beans. And then up here, I just have all of our cooking spices, along with our baking stuff. I originally was gonna get these containers to hold all of these things, but that was just a little bit too ambitious, so I just have all those right there. And then I use a lot of spices when I cook, so I like having this little spice container. I'll also have this link down below, but I like it that it's like bamboo because I think it just looks really nice with the cabinet. And then right here we just have our pantry, which I feel like is actually a little bit too big because we don't really use all the space. But again, I like having all of these organizers just to keep everything separated. And so we have our snacks, we have like granola bars and stuff, cans, and then down here, just some extra paper towels along with our trash can right there. And then right here, I just have this little container from Home Goods that holds our little dish brush, along with the container that actually used to be a candle. I just froze out the wax that I like to have to hold my rings whenever I'm cooking. And then over here, I just have all of our like utensils, measuring cups, that kind of stuff. Again, I like having these containers just to keep everything really organized. And then down here, there are just all of our pans and stuff. I also have a little skillet holder to hold all of our skillets, which is nice, so you can just like pull them out. And then under here, I just have all of our dishwashing stuff. So all of our sprays and stuff, our dishwashing soap, all that kind of stuff. And then right here, I just have all of our utensils, got a little utensil holder. I keep my supplements here because I like to take those when I actually am eating, and then just some plastic bags, that kind of stuff. Right here is just a little junk drawer, so there's a lot of random stuff. So just keep that there. This is actually like a mudroom bench that I keep to hold our shoes to take off. And I got this from Facebook Marketplace, and I really like it because I think it's just nice to hold of our shoes, onions and potatoes in a little bucket, along with a binder of some recipes, and then there's a wine rack. We actually like eating up on our bar area more, so these are our bar stools from our house, but we actually got them from Facebook Market, and I think they look really good because they really look good with the kind of dark tones. And then right here I just have our kitchen table, and this table is actually from Facebook Marketplace, and then our chairs are from Nebraska Furniture Market. And then I just have some placemats from Home Goods, a little vase with flowers. Our rug is from Rugland as well. So just have that under there. And then we just have a painting that Aiden's dad got us. It actually was just like a printed painting, but we went ahead and framed it, and it's of Charleston. So we really like that. I got this mirror from Kiss It Goodbye, which is like my favorite kind of consignment store. I think they have really neat stuff, but I think it looks pretty just with the gold. And then right here, we just have our little reading nook area. So our chairs from the Pottery Barn outlet, as well as the rug. This ottoman is from Target, as well as the side table and our lamp. And then I just have a painting up here that Aiden's dad actually did, which I think looks really nice right there. And then we have our fiddle leaf tree, which is real, but it's also definitely dying a little bit. And I think it's just because it doesn't get a ton of light, but our pot that we have for it is from Callaway's. And I'm hoping it keeps living because I definitely feel like it's a good addition to our apartment. And then right here, this is our favorite part of our apartment. It's our living room area. I love how just open it is and really spacious. Our rug that we have down here is like one of my favorite things in our apartment. This is also from Rugland. I think it's really pretty. I love all the color in it. And then our couch is another favorite. It is from, it's either Wears or Wares. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's just really nice and comfortable. It's a very like wide couch, so you can really lay on it, sleep on it. It's really comfy. And then the pillows that we have are from Home Goods, the colored ones and the neutral ones. And then the gray and the white ones are actually pieces that came with the couch. So Coffee table right here is actually from the Stacy's Furniture Outlet. We just have a little candle on it. This is just a Target vase. I usually have flowers on here and then some coffee table books. And then this is just a little wishbone that my sister-in-law gave us for our wedding gift. So just have that on there. And then over here we just have our bookshelf, which was originally from IKEA, but we got it from Facebook Marketplace. And then I just have some candlesticks that I like to light when people come over, and those are from Target. And then right here I just have these little shelves from West Elm. There's these little floating shelves, and then we just have a little watering can from Amazon. These are actually flowers that my mom got preserved from our wedding. They're like my bouquet flowers, which I think are really special to have up there. And then this is a plant that was a gift, another plant, and then this is something Aiden's had for a long time from his childhood, but his name's Salty, so we just have him up there too. And then we just have this little blanket ladder, which I think looks cute and rustic. It just holds our blankets, and this was also from Facebook Marketplace. And then right here, I just have this vase, which is from the Frisco Mercantile, which is like a cute little antique store. And then we just have some dried branches, which are from Home Goods. This console is actually a set with our coffee table, and it's from the Stacy's Furniture Outlet as well. We have our TV, and then a little container from Home Goods that holds some extra electronics, and then just the rest of our TV stuff. And then right here, we just have this framed mud cloth, which we actually got as well from Kiss It Goodbye, the same with the mirror over there. And I think it looks really nice. It's just like a neutral piece to kind of bring everything together. Over here, we just have Aiden's desk, which we got from World Market. It's actually a really nice desk. We really like this one. And then his little lazy boy chair, and then this rug that is also from Rugland. And then here we just have our bedroom. We actually don't have a door, which is kind of like the weirdest part of this apartment, but you just kind of walk in, and we have our bed right here. Our bed is from, I believe, Joss in Maine. It's a really popular bed. I've seen it a lot of places, but it's just really nice and neutral. And then I just have this little Barefoot Dreams blanket. Our bedding is all from Brooklinen, which I really like. And then we just have our pillows from Home Goods and At Home. And then our nightstands we just got. These are from Crate and Barrel. They're just really nice and simple, very kind of sleek. And then on each side I just have dried lavender, which is from Whole Foods. This mirror we actually got from the Frisco Mercantile as well, but I really like it. I think it's a really pretty piece. It's just nice and neutral. And then here I just have my desk, which is from Facebook Marketplace. Our chair is from the Pottery Barn Outlet. And then just have this container that holds all of like my editing stuff. And then I just have this Vogue book that Aiden gave me when we were dating, so I just like to keep that there. And then underneath, I just have this little rug, which is from Home Goods. I think it looks nice. It's just really nice and neutral. And then this lamp is from Target. Dresser, which was originally West Elm, but we got it from Facebook Marketplace. I think it's a really nice piece because it has black and brown, so you can kind of mix everything. And then our sound machine up here, and then just a little candle. And then right here, we just have this full-length mirror I like to have, so when we're getting ready, you can kind of look at your outfit. And this was from Target. And then our little rattan light over here is actually from At Home. And then right here, I just have my nightstand, and I just have a picture from our wedding as well as the lavender. We then have our bathroom, which is nice and spacious. We have this container that I actually don't remember where this is from, but we just have Aiden's cologne, my perfume, and then this again is just a little container that holds our rings when we're not wearing them. And then just have a little container for our toothbrushes, which we don't mix up because Aiden's is a lot more worn down than mine. And then we just have our sinks. And then in this drawer, we actually just have normal stuff that you'd have in the top drawer. And then I have my jewelry and other things in this one. I have all my hair tools. And then in this bottom one, I just keep my makeup, skincare, and my self-tanner stuff. In this little corner, I just have another one of these little benches from Home Goods. I just keep a Target candle, little coaster, our soap dispenser from Target, and then I like to keep some fresh flowers there too. And then underneath here, I just keep like extra products that I usually get through PR or other things, my bath stuff, just some extra products. This is a little Brooklyn print that my old roommate Rose gave me, and I think it looks really good here. So just put that there. We have our toilet and our shower curtain, which is from Williams-Sonoma. I like it because it's just like nice and simple, a little linen shower curtain. And then in this closet, we just keep a lot of extra towels, sheets, and then we also have pillows and stuff right there. So a lot of just random stuff, our supplements. And then over here, we have our closet, which is also nice and big. We just have our shoes right here. This is Aiden's side, and then my side is over here. I have all my dresses over there and coats. We have a lot of just purses and stuff up there, bags, overnight bags, a lot of containers to hold extra stuff. We really like to use this for storage as well, so there's a lot of those things too. And then I just have my podcast equipment here, my scarves, my purse that I use pretty much every day. Our socks and everything are in this container. Then we just have our laundry hamper, as well as a lot of other storage stuff up there. And that is pretty much everything in our apartment. I really hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour. Again, it just means a lot to me getting to share this place with you, because while I vlog in here and film in here, I feel like I don't always get to just like show you all the nooks and crannies. And so that is what I wanted to do today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to follow me on Instagram if you want to see more home stuff, because again, we're always kind of like doing stuff in our home. It's kind of a new hobby that I have. And so definitely follow me on there, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.